all over the field. I'm gonna be talking to the ladies all over the place. How y'all doing out there, ladies? How y'all doing? Y'all looking good? Looking good out there. How about that, Duke? You see that move I made on them there?
Yeah, I see it, Fatz.
No, not the kid. I'll be traveling around all over the place talking to these beautiful women. This song right here is dedicated to all these beautiful women, and it goes just like this. Cha-cha. I'm a traveling man, dating non-stop, all over the world, and in every port I own the heart of at least one lovely girl. I'm a pretty senorita waiting for me down in old Mexico. If you ever in Alaska, stop and see my cute little Eskimo. Oh, my sweet Fräulein, down in Berlin town, makes my heart start to yearn. And my China doll down in old Hong Kong waits for my return. A pretty Polynesian baby over the sea. I remember the night when we walked in the sand of the Waikiki, and I held you oh so tight. Play it, boy. Oh, my sweet Fräulein down in Berlin town makes my heart start to yearn. And my China doll down in old Hong Kong waits for my return. A pretty Polynesian baby over the sea. I remember the night when we walked in the sands of the Waikiki, and I held you oh so tight. Yeah, I did, honey. Oh, I'm a traveling man. Yes, I'm a traveling, oh, I'm a traveling man, baby. Yes, I'm a traveling man. That's right, honey. Oh, yeah.
No, I love you still. Will I wait a lonely lifetime? If you want me to, I will. And if I ever saw you, I didn't catch your name, but it never really mattered. I will always feel the same. Love you forever and forever. Love you with all my heart. Love you whenever we're together. Love you when we're apart. And when at last I find you, your song will fill the air. Sing it loud so I can hear you. Make it easy to be near you. For the things you do endear you to me. Oh, you know I will. I
Oh, thank you, Looney. Hey, those were great harmonies you sung with me. Wasn't that a pretty song?
Yeah, I liked it. Hey, who did that song? Wasn't that originally done by Frank Sinatra?
No, Looney Bird. That was done by the Beatles, you know.
Well, wasn't Frank Sinatra in the Beatles?
No, Looney, it was John, Paul, George, and Ringo. You remember?
Yeah, but I thought there was a Frank in there somewhere. Are you sure?
Looney, I told you there is no Frank. That song is called I Will, and it was one of the songs on the Beatles' White Album back in the late 1970s, I think.
60s.
Well, I could have sworn there was a Frank in there somewhere. Like Frankie and Johnny, or no, John and Frank wrote all those songs. Yeah, John, I think. No, was it John Cameron Swayze or Frankie? I know, it was Frankie Lyman and John Cameron.
Looney Bird, just wait a minute.
But I thought...
Wait.
But didn't...
No, Looney Bird. Looney, I said shush. Now, Looney, pay attention. I'll try and explain it to you in a way that matches your intellectual competence, okay?
Okay, Billy Bob.
Now, Looney, what do you get when you take the B out of ball?
Well, I guess you get all.
That's right, Looney. Now, what do you get when you take the dough out of donut?
You get... this is a trick question.
No, Looney, just answer the question.
Okay, you get nut.
Right. Now, what do you get when you take the bloom out of Frank?
Billy Bob, there is no bloom in Frank.
That's what I've been trying to tell you. There is no bloom in Frank.
Frank, hey, it must be time for my tribute to Frank Sinatra. Hey, those fingers through your hair.
Rolfe! Rolfe, it is not time for your tribute. Billy Bob's trying to introduce the White Album. Now, why don't you be quiet and let him do it?
Wait, Earl, wait.
Rolfe, if there's one thing I've told you twice,
Earl.
it's not to interrupt Billy Bob.
Earl, Looney Bird.
Those fingers through your hair.
Hey, Rolfe, be quiet.
She loves
Oh, everybody, I'm sorry. I seem to have lost control of the show. But we're not going to do the White
Hey, come on,
Album.
everybody.
I wish everyone would
What's
listen.
going on here? Hey, come on.
Can somebody help?
Somebody would please do this.
Excuse me. Could we proceed in a more orderly fashion, please?
Yeah. Hey, he sounds good to Rolfe.
Yeah, pretty good idea.
I'm tired of playing all the tunes. It seems I don't get time out anymore. What a change if we set the pace face to face. No one even tried to score. I can feel the magic of your touch. And when you're moving closer, a bit means so much. And try to understand, baby. Time out is what I'm here for. Game tonight. One I know. I wanna play that game tonight. So slow. You can't tell me you don't miss me, girl. No, I think I might know you too well. I wonder what you'd say if you knew that I was coming tonight. I want you, can't you tell? I can feel the magic in your touch now, baby. And when you're moving closer, it means so much. I try to understand. Time out is what I'm here for. Game tonight. One I know. I wanna play that one. Game tonight.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer, they loved him and they all called him bad names. But you know what really happened, folks? He led them off to victory and everything, and everybody was happily ever after.
Nice job, Billy Bob. But that ain't nothing. Get a load of this. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell swing and jingle bell ring. Snowing and blowing and bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Giddy up, jingle hop, jingle all three. Jingle all round the clock. Mix and mingle to the jingle of the beat. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell rock. You'll have a blue Christmas without me. You'll feel so blue just thinking about me. I'll be doing alright with my Christmas so white, but you'll have a blue Christmas.
Hey, now some professional advice from a professional entertainer. You better not shout, you better not cry, you better not pout, and Rolf's gonna tell you exactly why. Santa Claus, a personal friend of mine, is gonna be making a premier engagement in your living room. Get that, Earl?
I got it, boss. And you know what else? He's making a list. And he's checking it twice. He's gonna find out you've been going out on your wife. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Hey, Earl, come on, Earl, come on, come on, make about my personal business here on stage. Come on, Earl, come on down.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Though it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.